Tiller Money is a personal finance tool that helps users connect their bank accounts, automate budgeting, and track spending in a simple, spreadsheet-based format. Here's how to use Tiller Money. Sign up for Tiller. Visit the Tiller Money website and sign up by providing your email address and creating a password. Connect your financial accounts. After signing up, you'll be prompted to link your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, or any other financial institution. Tiller Money supports over 10,000 financial institutions. Follow the prompts to securely connect your account using Tiller's bank-level encryption. Create a Tiller spreadsheet. Once your accounts are linked, Tiller will automatically generate a Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel spreadsheet template for tracking your finances. This spreadsheet includes pre-built categories like income, expenses, bills, and savings, allowing you to visualize your financial health. Customize your spreadsheet. You can add new categories, adjust budgets, or apply filters based on your financial goals and spending habits. Tiller allows you to automate daily, weekly, or monthly data updates to keep your spreadsheet current with your financial data. Automate data updates. Tiller automatically fetches and updates financial data each day, providing a seamless way to stay on top of your budget without manual entry. Any changes made to your bank accounts are reflected in real time within your spreadsheet. Analyze and manage finances. Use the data in your spreadsheet to review spending, track trends, and create forecasts for budgeting or saving goals. Tiller offers visualization tools, such as charts and graphs, to make it easier to understand your financial health. Secure your data. Tiller ensures that all data is encrypted and securely stored. You have control over what data is shared and can revoke access at any time.